A mouse and a trackpad is usually used for navigation and movement on a computer.
Here inside of Plymouth Industries, where we are doing our digital making and design courses, we have a crack team of developers working on this product day in and day out. A device that will help people who have lost control of their muscles either through accidents or events such as strokes or car crashes regain muscle memory with art.
Now you might think, how does this work? Well, the Arduino Leonardo itself is hooked up to the computer via USB, as you can see here, into the computer. Now once this is done, on the Arduino software, code is written onto it which enables mouse control and button clicks using different devices inputted using the Arduino Leonardo itself and the breadboard. Now once this is all verified and uploaded onto the board, it's on the board forever until it's written by another code and then works on the computer itself to enable the joystick and the buttons to replicate a mouse click or a mouse movement. Now after that's done, we have it hooked up to an Atom software which has code on here which enables us to draw our creative visualization, which will be enabled using the mouse of the joystick and the button.
It's so easy, even I can do it.
After the code on the Arduino is uploaded and the code on the Atom is all done and working as it should be, you simply do it on the package, do it on live server, start a server up on Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, Firefox, whichever you want to use, and it enables the sketch to be shown onto the Internet Explorer, and then using the button and the joystick, it enables us for the joystick visualizer to work. The joystick visualizer is amazing. Once I start using it, I don't want to stop. I create things so cool with it, and it's like amazing. I can use it as an input instead of a mouse and a button. It's great. You gotta try it out. 10 out of 10.
Oh my god! Wow! Product really makes me want to floss it. Dab!